Welcome to the fun and easy machine learning course in Python and Keras. Are you intrigued by the field of machine learning? Then this course is for you. We'll take you on an adventure into the amazing world of machine learning. Each section consists of fun and intriguing whiteboard explanations like this one with regards to important concepts in machine learning, as well as practical Python labs which will enhance your comprehension of this vast yet lucrative subfield of data science. So who are we to teach you? Well, my name is Ritesh Ganji and I have a master's degree in electronic engineering, majoring in computer and machine vision. I have over 26,000 students on Udemy, teaching people from over 128 countries around the world. And I will be teaching you the theoretical side of machine learning. On the practical side, Minerva Singh is a best-selling Udemy instructor and data science with a PhD from Cambridge University. Minerva is proficient in statistical analysis, machine learning, and data mining. She also enjoys programming, data visualization, and web development. So as you can see, you'll be taught machine learning by two qualified professionals. We designed this course for anyone who wants to learn the state of the art in machine learning in a simple and fun way without learning complex math or boring explanations. Each theoretical lecture is uniquely designed using whiteboard animations like this one, which can maximize concentration and engagement in the lectures, which improves knowledge retention. This ensures that you absorb as much content than you traditionally would watching other videos or reading books on this topic. Let's take a look through the curriculum and see what you'll be learning from a fun and theoretic viewpoint. First off, we start with regression models such as linear regression, decision tree, and random forest regression. We then move to classification methods such as logistic regression, k-nearest neighbors, support vector machines, and naive Bayes. We deal with popular clustering algorithms such as k-means clustering and hierarchical clustering. Thereafter, we move to associated learning algorithms such as Apriori and Eclat. Reducing dimensions of your data is an important topic to discuss in machine learning for complex multi-dimensional datasets, and we deal with principal component analysis and linear discriminant analysis. And then finally, we get into the state of the art, which is deep learning models such as artificial neural networks, convolutional neural networks, as well as recurrent neural networks. This course deals with practical machine learning in Python and Keras. It starts by introducing the theory behind one of the most important statistical regression techniques, which is ordinary least squares regression, or OLS. The hands-on implementation of OLS statistical regression and testing of its conditions are demonstrated using real-life data. The course further provides a rigorous grounding in some of the most important machine learning techniques in terms of regression, classification, and data mining, as well as their practical implementations in Python. Some of the most commonly used techniques such as decision trees and linear discriminant analysis have been demonstrated in detail. You will also be programming your own artificial neural networks and multi-layer perceptrons in our Python Jupyter notebooks. The use of Keras for deep learning techniques such as convolution neural networks have been demonstrated in a hands-on manner. So as you can see, you can be learning to build a lot of impressive apps in this course on machine learning. The ideal student is a new or existing machine learning developer who wants to expand on their current skills, or an entrepreneur who wants to launch their own starter company. We just require that you come with an open mind and be willing to try new things. And for any reason you are unhappy with this course, Udemy has a 30-day money-back refund policy, so no questions asked, no quibble, and no risk to you. You've got nothing to lose. So feel free to read through the course description for a better understanding of what is covered in this training, and we'll see you inside this course.